Hello there, welcome to Genesis Models. My name is Bob Waldron and welcome to this inbox review here. We have Eduard's Mig-15. It's 1/72nd scale and it is a Provi Pack edition. Right, so you get the little bits of extras in here. Right, artwork looks quite nice. Looks like we've got a nice couple of markings on the side just there. I haven't actually opened this up yet, so first time I'm opening it. Right, so let's maybe jump straight into the fuselage section of this. Right, put this over here. Not quite prepared today. I do like how Eduard actually packages everything. They normally are very, very good in that department. Right, so first off is our fuselage section just here. Right, we have two halves. You do have recess panel lines, recess rivets, as you can see along there. Yes, it's got that really nice Eduard style of pretty good surface detail. I mean, this was new tooled in 2013, so you know, it was maybe not their sublime stuff that you see sort of more newer, but I mean, it's you know, it's showing those signs, just maybe not as detailed, shall we say, a bit. And as you can see on both sides, looking good. Even when we sort of go around to the 90-degree angle here, you know, these surface detail doesn't fade like you can see in some kits. On the inside, okay, there is a ejector pin mark there, but I do believe you kind of build the cockpit up with these. And then we have what looks like to be a couple of fuel tanks and stuff like that. Moving along, we have our canopy sections, so let's have a little look at that. I mean, one of them has broken off, but you know, looks pretty good. So here is the main canopy. Right, that is looking rather shiny, rather clear. Right, nice detail around the edges with some recessed rivets. If I just put up in the light, yeah, I mean, looks absolutely gorgeous, no problems with that. We've got another two spools in here. Right, I mean, this is 1/72nd scale, so should be, you know, a pretty nice, quick-ish build. But let's have a look at the wing section, and yes, look at that lovely detail. Absolutely stunning surface detail, as you'd expect from Eduard. Now, I have built one of these in the past, and they actually went together rather well, so no major fit issues or problems with it. Just looking pretty stunning. Right, nice and neat on the underside. We've got drill hole sort of markers here if you to put the weapons and pylons, put all your sort of fuel tanks and stuff on there. A little bit of detail here in the wheel well, which is nice to see. Next sprue as well, we have all our little bits and bobs. A couple of different versions here, so you know, we got some what looks like repeat parts, but they're slightly different. We have our instrument display panel. Right, looking quite, I mean, it seems to have the three-dimensional side to it, but not really any other detail than that. Blanked out one for things like photo etch. I mean, this is the Provi Pack edition, so there is photo etch in here. Ejector seat looking quite well detailed, very crisp. I mean, that's what you'll notice about this kit. It's very crisp, very neat and tidy as well. Right, and the flash is hardly existent. We have some freefall bombs, all one piece as well. Actually quite nice for being all one piece, so that makes things a little bit easier. Even the wheel well doors and whatnot, you know, we've got recessed rivets, really nice fine detail on there. No ejector pin marks on the inside, which is rather good. So actually, you know, the kit is looking pretty damn decent. Quite a lot of detail for even 1/72nd scale, very crisp. Really do like that. And then we come to all the other goodies that comes in this kit. So first off, we have yes, we have the usual canopy masks. I mean, you can't see them on camera really very well, but they are there. We have our instrument display panel. right, which, you know, that does look rather nicely detailed. This is, I mean, this kit was it was new tooled in 2013, but this actual box was 2014. So what you'll notice is this is when Eduard didn't do that kind of like glass sort of where they put like a gloss on all the instrument display panels. So you kind of got to put that on yourself if you want that, right? It's just kind of showing a little bit of the age of the kit, but you know, really nice touch. I mean, for £12 to get the photo etch, the canopy masks, really good. And I do believe you kind of get like a load more markings, which we do have a nice bunch of nice markings. And you've also got the decal form for the instrument display panel if you don't want to add the photo etch. Nice instructions. I mean, already you can see you know, good quality paper in color, nice description about the aircraft, and then we've got things in color showing you where things are going to be glued, even the photo etch, you know, sort of like what needs to be cut and where it needs to go. All good stuff. Looks like we're starting with the cockpit. Looks like the air intake's going around the sides as well, which makes up a nice cockpit tub. Do the engine section, and you're basically bringing your two fuselage halves together. Same with the wings, bringing them two together. I mean, it's a little bit like a World War II type fighter. Nice, quick, easy. So it's a nice, quick, easy jet. And if we move along, right, it does sort of show you put in on MGs and all your little bits and bobs. Landing gears coming on, and I'd say we're almost close to being finished here. Landing gear, a few sort of antennas and stuff. Moving along, fuel tanks. Shows you where all the canopy masks go, which there is a couple more other than the canopies by the looks of it. I mean, I think there's a few glass parts here and there around the model, so quite nice that they've included one or two other canopy masks in there. And then we have our markings, which it looks like we've got, I do believe it's about 5. They do all look to be natural metal finish, right, but I do believe we've got like the Polish Air Force, the Soviet Union, then we have our stencil placements. Right, so actually rather good. I mean, what can I say, you know, about, what was it, about 12-13 pounds. Not an expensive kit. It goes together nicely. Surface detail is pretty damn good. There's a lot of detail in there, and with added photo etch and everything, you can't go wrong with this kit. And it should be a nice, quick and easy one, with the whole sort of, you know, quick fuselage halves together and the wing sections together. Bring the wings and the fuselage, and you're basically done. So definitely a big thumbs up here at Genesis Models for the Mig-15 by Eduard in 1/72 scale. But as always, until next time, my name is Bob Waldron, this is Genesis Models, and I hope you've enjoyed.